supposed to be better than crap, but I'm not, so I'm just going to say it. I'm sorry that I pointed out to you that you fell in love with the client and not so great.